This Century 21 United Property video is presented by David.kitterlin. Updated manufactured home sitting on an acre, quiet country living close to everything, laminate floors throughout, workshop with electricity with an outside cover for your mower and lawn equipment, metal roof, home has not been retrofitted for FHA, owner will have it done with right offer, nice community. Sold as is with no repairs by the owner. For more information, review the details below.